Good, bright and beautiful Tuesday to everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and the leaves do continue to fall from those trees. It's been antecedently dry and warm conditions will continue throughout the rest of this week. Clear skies and calm winds just before sunrise this morning has temperatures in the mid and upper 30s across the interior valleys here of northwestern New Jersey and the Hudson River Valley as well. Parts of eastern Long Island too, where temperatures are always cooler in this area, and temperatures elsewhere are already rising through the 40s and around 50 degrees at sunrise or shortly after sunrise this morning across the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metropolitan area. And a warm day is on the way. We have a little bit of fog out there this morning over the interior valleys here, burning off nicely as the sun comes up, and it's going to be an absolutely fantastic day. Morning surface chart from WeatherRoanoke.com and Digital Atmosphere Software shows a high pressure ridge right on top of us with calm conditions, light winds, early morning fog in the valleys here. Just beautiful sunrise this morning, and temperatures getting up to around 70 this afternoon in the New Jersey, New York City metro area. It was gorgeous yesterday. A little bit more clouds in the way, but today a lot more sunshine is evident with the high parked right over the top of us. Morning pass of the visible satellite moving from east to west over the horizon here. Clear skies across the New Jersey, New York, Philly area this morning. Lots of dry and sinking air in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere over our region, so keeping the precipitation shield across the Carolinas and out to sea as high pressure is parked right on top of us this morning. This all ground clutter here and just gorgeous weather conditions. We have no air, land, or sea advisories to speak of today, and that's good news. That's a good way to start off a Tuesday here. On the aviational weather deck, we basically have VFR conditions, light southwesterly winds today. For Wednesday night through Friday morning, stratus and or fog possible during the overnight and morning hours both days, and then a return flow from off the ocean. The extent of the low clouds and fog still uncertain, but some IFR and limited IFR conditions across the interior valleys today and again tomorrow night and Thursday is likely with the fog in the region burning off. Friday afternoon, a brief improvement to VFR likely once the stratus mixes out. Southwesterly winds could become gusty. Friday night, chance of a shower accompanied by a cold frontal passage, a brief period of MVFR possible, and then we go back to improving conditions from the northwest to the southeast during the day on Saturday as the front moves further offshore. Right now outside of Newark, it's beautiful, 45, dew point 42, humidity 90%. The wind is due northeast at about 3. Visibility better than 10 miles, few clouds at 25,000, VFR in place. Philadelphia this morning, 47, dew point 43, humidity 86%. Visibility about 8, clear skies, VFR conditions in place. National surface analysis and forecast charts going into the future here. Quite a lot of rain and snow in the mountains of California and the west during the last 24 to 48 hours. This is as a result of a deep low pressure center right over this portion of the country. High pressure is over our portion of the country outside of this outlier low pressure area departing the Carolina coast this morning. High pressure is in control and really will remain so with very little appreciable precipitation. We're still in a drought, and the drought conditions will continue in our area as high pressure is in control, and we're finding no appreciable rainfall events coming up for the next several days. In fact, right into the weekend and even a portion of next week, still don't see any rain. There's quite a lot of snow, rain, ice in the western United States and in the mountains here in the Rockies. High pressure in control of our weather, and it looks like it's going to stay that way through the entirety of the week. There could be some low stratus and fog burning off, and then the wind southwesterly, warm temperatures this week into the low and mid 70s away from the water. Here comes the next cold front, and this will be approaching on Friday afternoon and Friday evening, passing through relatively dry, maybe an outlier shower here at best on Saturday morning, and then skies clear off. We cool down a little bit on Sunday and early Monday before rebounding back again with warmer conditions by the early and mid part of next week as basically high pressure continues to be in control of our weather. The next 6 to 10 days from November 8th through the 12th is basically near normal in temperature to slightly above, and if we average it out, near normal in precipitation or slightly below. The next 8 to 14 days from November 10th through the 16th, well above normal temperatures are being forecasted right now and near to slightly above normal precipitation across the region. Here's your high temperatures across the region today, around 70 to 72 degrees. That is definitely above normal. Normal highs are about 52 in the Poconos to about 60 in the New Jersey, New York, Philly metro area. Tomorrow temperatures again between 70 and 75. Again, during the day on Thursday, we're going to find temperatures again between 70 and 72 degrees across the forecast region. The temperatures will continue to be quite mild, 70 to 75 again on Friday. Temperatures on Saturday will be a little bit cooler as the cold front moves through. Temperatures still above normal slightly by a few degrees, definitely in the low 60s. The normal highs again around 60. Temperatures finally begin to lower themselves below normal again, slightly at 55 degrees during the day on Sunday. And by the time we get to Monday, temperatures will level out in the mid 50s across the forecast region. So you can't ask for better weather for November, at least the beginning part anyway. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a fantastic Tuesday.